Want to know how to safely exit off Kimi AI? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So this is for your website only. So I'm just going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. So first things first, what you need to do is you can just simply open it up, and on the left side you should be seeing this user interface or chat interface right here. So make sure to check all of them if every single prompt has been properly completed, if you have made any. So once that is done, you can also check your chat history if any conversation is loading. So this is really important. So you can just simply download related files, share, or do much more accordingly. And if you want to properly close it, you can just simply log out as well. Just simply head to our settings, select your profile, and then select log out, select log out again, and you should be good to go. And that's it. This is how you properly and fully close Kimi AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.